morning, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make medida Sudanese. We use it for Ramadan. We use it if somebody's sick. We use it for a lot of stuff. And then the ingredient is not a lot. Just I got corn starch and sugar, and already water here is boiling, and peanut butter. That butter is optional if you want to put it or not. In America, they brought it from South America. It look like this one. You're gonna soak that maybe whole day or use it next day. When I soaked it, it looked like this, red. So what do? Is put it, add some water, let it boil too. And then we're gonna add, the first one we did it with lemon, but this I'm trying to do, if you got no lemon where you live, you can use this. Just soak it for 3 days or 1 day, or a couple of hours. You can use it, it's come like this. You can use the juice, and then the same process. Yeah. So we're gonna add the same process. We're gonna add the cornstarch, 2, 3. Add water. So you remember we put the kekere, English word, they say a biscuit. So it's ready in the fire, is boiling. It's the same thing, but just different. Kekere and lemon, because kekere is sour too. It's gonna come out different color, but it's the same thing. Just I'm doing it, I'm making it two-way. If you don't have lemon, you can use a biscuit, and then it's the same process. Sugar, and then taste it. It's better to put water when it boils and then mix it with water, cold water. It's just fast. It doesn't take that long. It's very, very easy to make it. Because back home when you fast all day, you gotta have something hot. Even if you want, you can drink tea, but a lot of people do use this medida for it. You drink it first before you start to eat regular food, because you know whole day you didn't eat anything, so you gotta drink something hot first. You're not gonna start with cold, because it's not good. Almost done. Just when you put cornstarch, you can do it with, make it with the all-purpose flour, but it's not gonna be nice as corn flour. So it's ready almost. Just I put sugar, you can put the cinnamon stick on it. You wanna smell like it's ready now. It doesn't take that long, especially when you leave the water boil. Just mix it, put it on, That's it. It's done. I'll see you for a little bit. Welcome back. After it's done, it look like this. So it's two color or two flavor. This is kirkire and then this is regular. So we're gonna see how. See, it's supposed to look like this. It's not thick. It's not thick. This is the same thing. Don't make it very thick, just like this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. I need your help to grow my channel. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.